So hi, good morning. My name is Shankar Gopinathan and this is Roma Vasudevan with me, and we'll talk about Lokyata. So, you can go to the next slide. So Lokyata helps clients create data strategy and then we execute it on our AI-driven customer profile analytics platform. So we work with banks, NBFCs, MFIs, and online lenders, and we enable data-driven digital lending and we help them scale. Now we are a middleware and we integrate using REST APIs. Now, we know that there are more than 2 billion people in the world who are underbanked and who are underserved. Now the question that gets asked is, how do banks enable increased access? What can we do with data and leverage data to offer better products to customers? Let's take a look at one of the profiles we have of Uma Devi. She's 30 years old, she's a vegetable vendor, and she needs 80,000 to move her business to a permanent market shop. And she has not been able to get a loan from a bank because she has no formal credit history. So Lokyata enables institutions to lend to people like Uma using our AI platform. We'll quickly go through a quick demo. So what we wanted to show was a quick app where Lokyata actually partnered with the bank, and the bank sent a message to Uma, and she clicked on a link which offered her a loan of like 1 lakh rupees. And we took her through the process, and it showed that you're eligible for a 60,000 at this point. And when you do more, so this is the app, and she gets a message, and she clicks on it, and it's asked, okay, what are you looking for? I'm looking for a loan. I'm a small business owner, and I own a market shop, and I would like to, my income is around 30,000, and I would like to borrow 80,000 rupees. And once that is done, the Lokyata engine runs and gets a message saying that, okay, I know you were looking to borrow 80,000, but unfortunately we can offer you 60,000 at this time. When you do more business and repayment information comes in, you might be eligible for more. So how is this actually possible? So we partnered with the bank, and the bank had a mission to increase its outreach. So this is when we partnered with them, and they wanted to focus on the small business owner segment, but they had no idea on what information was needed for a credit assessment. So that's when Lokyata introduced our common data model. Go to the next one. It's a proprietary data framework that actually helps create credit scoring models for different products. So we used the common data model, and we did a gap analysis with the limited data available with the bank and some third-party data that was available, and we created a data strategy for the bank. Now, using this data strategy and the strong foundation from the common data model, so the common data model is a proprietary, think of it as a proprietary and comprehensive data structure that helps to create credit scoring models. So we created it using our years of experience in the lending and inclusion and the banking space. And the output of the common data model gets fed into our machine learning based algorithm. So what we create is a robust and transparent machine learning model based loan decision for the bank to start lending. And the bank started lending using the algorithm, and it also created a strong data platform for the bank that was very scalable. So in the whole process, we created a strong strategy. So that's when companies can just have a machine learning model without any strategy. So the strong foundation here is the detailed optimized data set that comes out of the common data model, which inputs into the machine learning algorithm that we have. So we can ask, what gave the confidence to the bank to actually lend to somebody like Uma? So this is core to us is a technology that we developed called a transparent AI, where we have all the factors that led to the calculation of the score of the customer. So all the factors that impacted positively to the score are shown in green, and all the ones that had negative impact on the score are shown in red. And we just don't provide a score. We provide what we call decision codes, which include a score, which include a confidence percentage of the score, a fraud risk level, and we even give a grantable amount to be lent. So what is unique here? So what is unique to us is what we call a multi-dimensional customer profile, which is a comprehensive and a unique profile that gets created for every single customer with any and all available data. And what is also unique to us quickly is we have lending decisions and analytics and customer engagement on a single platform. If you have any questions, please. Correct. So how we operate is we don't handle data. So we help collect data from the bank. So the institution provides the data, and we do not own the data. And also when we handle data, it's all anonymized data. We do not handle any PII information or any customer-specific information. We use a shared key to anonymize the data initially. So we partner with NBFCs, MFIs, online lenders. Wanted to show actually, we are a single platform for all products. So we have agri-loan value chain customers, digital micro lending customers, and MSME customers. Yes.